1997, running 113 kilometers to Modogashe, which is at kilometer 190. And it also includes the Garbatula Loop Road, which is 15 kilometers. It also includes civil works for the optic fiber cable between Kulamau and Samata, a total of 218 kilometers.
We were here as a regional team for site visits and inspection on this road. Here, currently where we are is Road 2, but this road is part of the Greater Horn of Africa Gateway project, which starts from Isiolo all the way to Modogashe. Like what the engineer has said, we have been taken through the whole corridor, and the one thing that we want to say is that we really appreciate what they are doing. As the engineer, the contractor, they are doing good work despite the challenges that are there. And we as the government, we are going to support them on the issues that they have raised, especially on the issues of land compensation in the various sections.
On the security front, it is our request that a rapid deployment unit be considered for Kambi Samaki, because we want to ensure that we prevent any negative impacts. We do not want to wait for conflict to happen and then we react to it. So in a spirit of being proactive and trying to ensure that we address issues before they get out of hand, we are requesting that a rapid deployment unit be established at Kambi Samaki to help us, in fact, to support our security team in case they want any backup. We have a team that is ready to provide necessary backup.